We're in Denver, Colorado at Intercom's 18th Annual Oil and Gas Conference. And it's my pleasure to welcome David Preng, President of Preng Associates. Hi, David.
Hi, how are you doing? Good to see you again.
Good to see you. Thanks for joining us. Now, Preng has been a longtime supporter of Intercom. What trends do you see emerging at this year's conference?
Well, you talk about trends. What I'm really seeing here at the conference is a buzz. It's a buzz partially due created by Greg and the Intercom team, but also by the demand of capital that's come in that's looking for good investment.
Now, increased activity across North America has placed a growing need for professionals in the oil and gas industry. How is Preng helping the industry attract talented professionals?
Well, I think we've been helping the industry attract professionals partially by coming to conferences like Intercom. We accumulate knowledge here, understanding what companies are doing what, who within the companies are making it happen, and taking this and using that in the assignments we have or undertake for our clients. We're also proud of the fact that our partners, as well as most of our consultants, come out of the industry, and it's a conference such as Intercom allows us to stay abreast of what we do. We try to be trusted advisors to help companies with recruitment, retention, compensation, organizational development, in essence help build and retain first-class teams. And when you look at what we really do as a search professional, our main job is to create interest in an individual to what our clients needs, and it's by understanding the models of companies, both our clients and their opportunities, and translating this to create the interest in an individual, which helps. So these conferences are wonderful for us.
Changes at the executive level and management or reorganizations have been recent trends we've witnessed in the oil and gas industry. What is your opinion on this trend, and why now?
Well, I think why now, basically we see four things happen. Everyone knows of the sea change because of the age of the professional, and it's there. Secondly, I think because of the maturation of some of the plays that are going on, a different CEO or senior executive is needed to maximize the profitability. I think the third thing you also have is a great influx of capital from your private equity firms, and what they're trying to do is go in and they steal people from other companies, which is creating an imbalance in needs. And I think finally you have a shareholder activism. You look at what happened with Amerada Hess, with Sandridge and others. In a classic example, we helped the Elliott Management Group with their industry professionals for their alternative slate. And when we were first contacted back toward the end of the year, the Hess stock price was $46, $47 a share, and today it closed over 75. So shareholder activism can work very well.
David, the average age of a petroleum engineer is still at record levels. How can the industry be more proactive to bring recent college graduates?
Well, they have been proactive, and if you look at the trends in graduation, if you take petroleum engineers, in 2008, there were 17 universities that had curriculums. The total undergraduates hit 600. This past June, it was more than twice that. And I think we have to keep encouraging, but what we have to tell the young engineers and people with math majors and science backgrounds that we are a high-tech industry. Probably the best thing you could do is to take one of these young individuals, send them to a frac job, put them in a trailer, and they'll think they're in NASA.
Very funny. What other insight, David, can you share with us about the industry?
Well, I think from an industry standpoint, it's very fluid right now. We're very active. We talk to our competition. They're doing the same way. But it's great to, again, see the buzz that's here at Intercom and what Greg and the team have created over 18 years.
David, always a pleasure to have you here talking with us.
Good. Glad to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, David Preng with Preng Associates. I'm Quinn Nguyen for oilandgas360.com.